The following describes the parameter setting and wiring methods of three-phase 4-wire and three-phase 3-wire. The rear panel Y type is three-phase 4-wire, V type is three-phase 3-wire. 1. Three-phase 4-wire parameter set. Enter the wiring method set interface to set 3P4L. Press the set key 3 times to return to the save interface. The display is this. Wiring method. Voltage phase A is connected to UA of Y type. B phase of voltage connected to UB of Y type. A phase current transformer S1 is connected to Y type IA. S2 is connected to Y type IA. B phase current transformer S1 is connected to Y type IB. 2. Three-phase 3-wire parameter setting. Enter the wire method set interface to set 3P3L. Press the set key 3 times to return to the save interface. The display is this. Press the enter key to save and exit. The setting is complete. Wiring method. Voltage phase A is connected to V-type UA. Voltage phase B is connected to V-type UB. If the site is 2CT, A phase current transformer S1 is connected to V-type IA. S2 is connected to V-type IA.